Yes. Exercise 14.4. Question number 20. 4x plus 5 divided by 4x is equal to 5. 4x plus 5 divided by 4x is equal to 5. 4x plus 5 is binomial divided by monomial. It is possible? Yes.
Yes, sir.
4x plus
Yes, sir.
5 divided by 4x. Okay. Now 4x by 4x, 5 by 4x. This cancel out. It becomes 1 plus 5 by 4x. That is not equal to 5. Okay. That is right hand side. 5 to right hand side. It means left hand side is not equal to right hand side. The correct statement of 4x plus 5 divided by 4x. One plus 5 by x, 5 by 4x. 1 plus 5 by 4x. 1 plus 5 by 4x. Okay.
Yes.
Question number 21. Seven x plus 5 divided by 5 is equal to 7x. Okay. Left hand side. 7x plus 5 divided by 5. 7x plus 5, 5 plus 5. Okay. Now 7x plus 5 divided by 5 plus 1. That is not equal to 7x. That is not equal to 7x. That is right hand side. Okay. So, the correct solution of of 7x plus 5 divided by 5 is 7x by 5, 5 by 5, that is 1. Okay, do it.
Third.
Chapter number 15, exercise 15.1. We have to observe this graph. Okay. By observing this graph, we have to give the answer of this question. Okay. And this graph is in the time and temperature. This is time. Okay. This is time. That is 9 a.m., 10 a.m., 11 a.m., 12 noon, 1 p.m., 2 p.m., 3 p.m. This is your temperature. 34 degree Celsius, 35 degree Celsius, 36 degree Celsius, 37 degree, 38, 39. If this is 34, and this is 35. What is this? ये क्या है? 20 का 34.5. 34.5.
Yes.
If this is 35 and this is 36, what is this?
35.5.
Is it clear?
25.5.
Is it clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now,
Yes, sir.
okay, very good. Okay, yes. At 9 a.m. temperature is 35.5. At 9 a.m. temperature is 35.5. At 9 a.m. temperature is
9 a.m. temperature is 35.5.
okay, yes. Yes. At 9 a.m. temperature is 35.5. Okay. At 10 a.m. temperature is 36. At 11 a.m. temperature is 39. At 12 noon temperature is 38.5. And at 1 p.m. temperature is 36.5. 2 p.m. 36.5 and just increase 3 p.m. temperature becomes 37. ग्राफ समझ में आया? ग्राफ समझ में आया? ग्राफ क्या कह रहा है? ग्राफ is between
Yes, sir.
time and temperature. If time increase, temperature are different. Temperature is different. Okay. Yes. First of all, you will draw this graph in your graph notebook. सबसे पहले क्या करोगे? इस ग्राफ को ग्राफ नोटबुक में बनाओगे. उसके बाद क्या करोगे? इसको कट करोगे, अपनी फेयर नोटबुक में पेस्ट करोगे. ठीक है? उसके बाद ये क्वेश्चन गिवन है, इनके आंसर लिखो. क्या समझ में आया आपको?
Yes.
क्या समझ में आया? कट करके फिर नोटबुक में पेस्ट करना है. उसके बाद जो ये क्वेश्चन गिवन है, इनके आंसर इसके नीचे लिखने हैं. ओके. अब देखिए, व्हाट वाज द टेम्परेचर एट 1 p.m. 1 p.m. temperature is
36.5.
36.5. Temperature is 36.5. What was the temperature at 1 p.m.? The patient temperature at 1 p.m. was 36.5. Okay.
Yes.
लिखिए, the patient temperature at 1 p.m. was 36.5 degree Celsius. Okay. Any doubt? Any problem?
No, sir.
No problem. Chaliye. Can we proceed on the next part?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Yes. When was the patient temperature 38.5 degrees Celsius? 38.5.
2 p.m.
38.5. This is 38.5.
Sir, 12.
The 12.
12 noon.
Yes, sir.
Okay. At 12 noon, the patient temperature was 38.5. Okay. लिखिए आप. At 12 noon, the patient temperature. समझाना सभी को?
Yes, sir.
कैसा लग रहा है?
Very easy.
Was 38.5 degrees Celsius. Okay? Have you done?
Yes.
Yes. Next is.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Next
sir.
is next. The patient temperature was seen in the 2 times during the period given. What are these 2 times? 2 टाइम पे पेरेंट्स का टेम्परेचर सेम रहता है, वो 2 टाइम क्या है बताइए जल्दी से.
1 and 2 p.m.
Sir, 1 p.m.
At 1 p.m. and 2 p.m.
So 1 p.m. and 2 p.m.
1 p.m. and 2 p.m.
लिखिए. At 1 p.m. and 2 p.m. patient temperature was same. लिख लोगे?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
At 1 p.m. and 2 p.m. patient temperature was same. At 1 p.m. and 2 p.m. patient temperature was same. Okay. Now please tell me what was temperature at 1:30 p.m. How did you arrive at your answer? At 1:30 p.m. 1:30
Sir,
p.m. 36.5.
36.5.
Okay. 36.5. आप इस 36.5 पे कैसे पहुंचेंगे? At 1 p.m. temperature is 36.5. Okay. Third part. At 1 p.m. at 1:30 p.m. At 1:30 p.m. the patient temperature was how much?
So 36.5.
Yes. What was temperature at 1:30 p.m.? At 1:30 p.m. the patient temperature was 36.5. Was 36.5
5.
डिग्री सेल्सियस. ओके. अब हम यहाँ पे 36.5 पे क्यों पहुंचे? लिसन, हम यहाँ पे पहुंचे कैसे? आपने क्या रीड किया कि 36.5 ही होगा 1:30 p.m. पे, because midpoint of 1 p.m. and 2 p.m. is 1:30 p.m. and midpoint of 36 and 37 is 36.5 degree Celsius. यही है ना? 1 p.m. और
Yes.
1 p.m. and 2 p.m. का midpoint क्या है? 1:30 p.m. है, and midpoint of 36 and 37 is 36.5. Am I right or wrong?
Yes, sir. You are
देखिए,
right.
okay, the midpoint of 1 p.m. 1 p.m. and 2 p.m. 1 p.m. and 2 p.m. is 1:30 p.m. 1:30 p.m. Okay. The midpoint of 36 and 37 is the midpoint
36.5 degrees Celsius.
the midpoint of 36 and 37 is 36.5 degrees Celsius. Okay, 36.5 degrees Celsius. कुछ समझ में आ रहा है?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next one is during which period did the patient temperature showed an upward trend? E part upward trend. अपवार्ड यहाँ पे है 9 AM, देखो अपवार्ड है नहीं, एक अपवार्ड देखो यहाँ पे भी है, एक अपवार्ड देखो यहाँ पे भी है कि नहीं है?
सर एक अपवर्ड 10 से 10:30 के बीच में है।
10 to 10:30 है? हाँ, एक तो 9 से 10 है, 10 to 11 है, और एक क्या है आपका है 2 PM to 3 PM, तीन अपवार्ड ट्रेंड है। 9 AM to 10 AM, 10 AM to 11 AM and 2 PM to 3 PM. 9 से 10, 10 to 11 और 2 PM to 3 PM. Any doubt, any problem?
No, sir.
चलिए लिखिए। During which period did the patient temperature show an upward trend? ठीक ना? Patient temperature showed an upward trend at, ठीक ना?
Yes.
लिखिए यहाँ पे the patient's D and E है ना ये? The
Yes, sir.
patient temperature showed an upward trend at 9 AM to 10 AM. After that 10 AM to
11 AM.
11 AM. After that
2 to 3 PM.
2 PM to
3 PM.
3 PM. Okay. First, understand the graph. This is years.
Yes, sir.
Okay. This is year and this is sale in crores. This is year, this is sales in crore. Okay. In 2002, sale is 4 crore. In 2003, sale is 7 crore. In 2004, sale is 6 crore. In 2005, sale is 10 crore. And in 2006, sales is 8 crore. Point is clear?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Any doubt, any problem?
No.
No, sir.
Okay.
No, sir.
Okay. Yes. The flowing line graph shows the yearly sales figure for a manufacturing company. The flowing line graph shows the yearly sales figure for a manufacturing company. ईयरली सेल्स, ये क्या है? ईयरली सेल्स. ईयरली सेल्स, ये लाइन जो है ईयरली सेल्स है, कुछ सेल्स है उसको शो कर रही है. ये लाइन जो है ईयरली सेल्स है, कुछ उसको शो कर रहा है. फिगर फॉर ए मैन्युफैक्चरिंग कंपनी. व्हाट वर द सेल्स इन 2002?
The 4 crore.
4 crore. In 2006,
8 crore.
8 करोड़. लिखिए सेल्स इन 2002 4 करोड़, सेल्स इन 2006 8 करोड़. ओके,
Okay, sir.
दिस इज द फर्स्ट पार्ट. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 फर्स्ट पार्ट. Okay, sales in 2002. Sales in 2002. Sales in 2002. Tell me.
The 4 crores.
4
4 crore.
4 crores.
Okay, and sales in
Okay.
sales in 2006.
8 crore.
8 crore.
8.
Very good. 8 crore. 8 crore. 4 crore, 8 crore. Okay.